The device not eligible for this transaction error on Tracfone indicates a mismatch between your zip code, selected plan, and device components like SIM card or IMEI. Tracfone partners with Verizon and AT&T networks, where plans have geographical restrictions. Key factors causing this error include zip and plan matching, device compatibility, activation process issues, and SIM card problems. Recent policy updates require exact zip matching for some promotions. To solve this, check plan eligibility in your area first. First, double-check that the zip code you entered during activation or plan purchase is correct. Use Tracfone's online device compatibility checker to ensure your phone supports the necessary network bands for your area. If activating online or via the app, ensure your location services are enabled to automatically verify your zip code. If you're in a rural area or switching between Verizon and AT&T, contact Tracfone support to confirm the correct SIM and plan for your location. As of September 2025, Tracfone has a Smart Match feature in their app for real-time plan eligibility checks. Also, be aware of promotion restrictions as they may require specific zip codes. If problems persist, a SIM replacement might be necessary, especially after network updates.